Rồi hát phonics song với mami nha.
A, B, C.
No, phonics song. A is for apple.
A, B, C.
Thôi hát phonics song đi. A is for apple. Apple.
No.
Hát đi. Sao vậy? B is for ball.
B, B, ball.
C is for cat.
Cat, cat, cat.
D is for dog.
D, dog.
Giỏi. E is for elephant.
A, elephant.
F is for fish.
Fish, fish, fish.
Giỏi.
Yeah.
Yeah. G is for gorilla.
Gorilla.
H is for hat.
Hat, hat. B, B,
I is for igloo.
J, I.
Hả? I sao? I sao? I is for gì?
S, for it.
I is for igloo.
Eagle.
J is for juice.
Juice.
K is for kangaroo.
Kangaroo.
L is for lion.
Yeah.
O is for octopus.
Alphabet.
P is for pig.